Hi kids, welcome back to Brainbank. I'm Brian Stuart. Well, our book today is about a rainy day. 비 많이 왔다, right? A lot of rain. It's a rainy day. But look at him. He's dry. He's dry. He doesn't get rain on him. Why? Because he has an umbrella, a raincoat, and boots, right? 우산, 비옷, 장화, right? Okay. So he has an umbrella, 우산, umbrella. Here, 비옷, coat. Or we can also say raincoat. Whoops, raincoat. Okay? And down here, 장화, right? Yeah, 장화. Those are boots. Boots. So 다시 한번. Umbrella, raincoat, boots. And 재밌어요, right? 개구리, they're a frog. They look like a frog, right? Very exciting. Let's study together about many different kids and different rain coats and umbrellas and boots, right? It's a rainy day. Wow, she has a very bright color umbrella, coat, and boots. Let's see what's next. Wow, here we have our friend back, the 개구리, right? He's come back. And over here we have a, wow, 빨간색, a red outfit, a red outfit. Let's see this one first. It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. Can you say that? Let me hear you. Good. It was a rainy day. A frog came to school. Okay? 개구리 왔다, right? A frog came to school. Can you say that? Let me hear you. Yes, very good. Okay, so over here, who is this? A ladybug. Ah, it's a ladybug. Here, oh, you can't see it. It's red, right? A ladybug. Ladybug. A ladybug came to school. Can you read that? Let me hear you. Okay, good job. A ladybug came to school. So many characters, many animals came to school. What's next? Aha, what's this, right? Here we see, you say in Korean, nabi, right? Nabi. A butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly came to school. Can you say that? Let me hear you. Yes, very good. A butterfly came to school. A very cute butterfly, right? 귀엽지요. Cute. A cute butterfly. What's this? This looks interesting. What is this raincoat about? Look at here. What is that? Do you know what that is? That is a dinosaur. 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 Dinosaur's big lizard, right? It's a big lizard. So it's a dinosaur. What will we see? We see a dinosaur came to school. Can you read that? Let me hear you. Yes, very good. A dinosaur came to school. Wow, many things came to school. What's next? Let's find out. Wow, look at this. What is this, right? We have to look up here. Can you see what this is? These are horns, right? Big ears and many spots on the coat. So we call that a cow, right? A cow. A cow came to school. Moo, right? That's what a cow sounds like. So, you guys, let me hear you read that. Can you read that? Let me hear. Yes, very good. A cow came to school. and this cow will be very dry, right? Okay, what's next? What is this? What is that, right? Well, it's maybe a little hard to see, but what color is this? This is yellow, and this looks like an insect. What insect is yellow and goes bzzz? It's a bee. A bee came to school. 조심해요, right? Because a bee will sting you, right? Hopefully he's nice. I think he's a nice bee, so don't worry. Let's see if we can read it together. A bee came to school too. Can you read that? Let me hear you. Right. A bee came to school too. Too means also, right? Too means also. Okay, what's next? Look at this. Here is the teacher. All the kids came to school. Can you see the kids? We can't see the kids. Where are they? So the teacher says, where are the children? Where are they? 어린이 어디 갔어요? Right? Where are the children? The teacher cried, right? She's surprised. She doesn't see any children. She sees a dinosaur, a frog, a cow, a butterfly, a bee, and a ladybug. But she doesn't see any children. Where are they? Right? So, where are the children? The teacher cried. Can you read that? Let me hear you. Okay, good job. Where are the children? The teacher cried. Whoa, there they are. They say, here we are. 여기 있다, right? Here we are. Here we are. The children replied, because they lift their umbrella and we can see them now. Here we are. Okay, so here we are. The children replied. Replied, 대답해요, right? They answered. They replied. Can you read that? Let me hear you. Good job. Here we are. The children replied. Okay? What's next? What happened here, right? A rainy day is a wet day. When you come to school, take off your coat and hang it up. Take off your boots and put them here. All the water will drip down. You don't want the water in your classroom, okay? So be careful. A rainy day is a wet day. Can we read that together? Can I hear you? Very good. A rainy day is a wet day. And finally, umbrellas, coats, and boots help us stay dry. So we learned that before. Umbrellas, 우산, coat, boots, 청화, right? These help us stay dry, and we can have fun with many different kinds of umbrellas and coats and boots. Let's read this together. Umbrellas, coats, and boots help us stay dry. Can you read it? Let me hear you. Okay, good job. Umbrellas, coats, and boots help us stay dry. So, next time it rains, 다음 비 와요, right? Is that right? Next time it rains, put on a coat, put on boots, carry an umbrella, and you will stay dry. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Take care.